Namaskar and welcome everyone. This is our second chapter, types of hardware, and today my topic is about the memory. So our memory, that means the computer memory, is divided into two parts. First one is primary memory. This is the memory that holds the data and the instruction during the processing, but this is the temporary memory. This memory also known as the main memory or the internal memory. And the second one is secondary memory. This memory that can store data or instructions for a long time, and this is permanent in type. This is also known as auxiliary or external memory. Here is the units of memory. Smallest memory unit of computer is bit. That means only 0 and 1. These are also known as binary language. Then 4 bits make a nibble and 8 bits make a byte. Here another word is ASCII, that means American Standard Code for Information Interchange, represent a character as group of 8 bits or 1 byte. And another term is Unicode, that represent a character as group of 16 bits or 2 bytes. Here are the table for the different memory units, like 4 bits equal 1 nibble, 8 bits equal 1 byte, 1024 bytes or b equal 1 kilobyte or kb, 1024 kilobyte or kb equal 1 megabyte or mb, 1024 megabyte or mb equal 1 gigabyte or gb, 1024 gigabyte or gb equal 1 terabyte or tb, 1024 terabyte or tb equal to 1 petabyte or pb, 1024 petabyte or pb equal 1 exabyte or eb, 1024 exabyte or eb equal 1 zettabyte or zb, 1024 zettabyte or equal 1 yottabyte or yb. Here you can see that here all the terms from byte to yottabyte there comes into 1024. That means this is the power of 2 to the power 10. Now there is primary memory. So the primary memory is divided into two separate categories. That first one is random access memory or RAM, and second one is read only memory or ROM. So now what is RAM? RAM, that means the random access memory, is a form of data storage that can be accessed randomly at any time by the CPU. RAM is an internal memory that can be read and write both. RAM is volatile in nature and the storage capacity of RAM is limited. Now the second one is ROM. So what is ROM, or what are the characteristics of ROM? ROM or read-only memory is a form of data storage that generally stores all the instructions for a computer for a long time. ROM is an internal memory that can be read-only. ROM is non-volatile in nature. The storage capacity of ROM is more than the RAM. Here, RAM and ROM are referred as immediate access storage, that means IAS, because CPU can access data so quickly compared to data in secondary memory. Now here is computer performance. Our computer performance mainly depends on three factors. First one is computer speed, that means how fast or how slow a computer can work. The speed is generally measured in the unit of megahertz and gigahertz. 1 megahertz means 1 billion instruction per second, that means approx 1000 crore per second. And uh, 1 gigahertz, that means 3 billion instructions per second, that means 3000 3000 crore instructions per second. And another is memory size. Memory size depends on the size of RAM. If the RAM size is much more, then the CPU can work faster than the other computers. And here the third factor is number of application run. So the number of applications, the more number of more number of applications, maybe we slow down our system, and less number of applications may be first our computer system. So these are the factors uh, um, for the CPU performance.